Banh fritters, spring rolls, beef noodle soup, mango salad, even avocado coconut ice cream. During our second visit to Da Nang, a Vietnam cooking class taught us to make our fave dishes. We are the learners and makers. Our world schooling family has traveled the world since 2022, empowering families and people with mobility disabilities to travel more their way. Local market. Shopping at local markets can make travel more economical, support the local economy, and get authentic ingredients. The market was busy as we learned what we would need for our Vietnamese dishes.
Two types of the noodles in Vietnam. The first one, you can see the slice of this noodle is really small.
Carrots are here.
You want to grab the carrot? Pick out a carrot, Connor. Ask your mom to pick out an onion. Ooh, this one looks really good. Oh, I take it back.
This carrot is good.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Look at this onion.
Does it seem like it's got no Yeah, that one looks good. This is pretty small. Maybe we should do two.
Yeah. That one?
I think that's probably pretty good.
And then when you finish, just put everything inside your basket.
Okay. There's so much happening here in the market. The sounds of motorbikes, conversation, and there's just so much to take in. You can smell the seawater with the seafood, all the fresh catch. You can smell some of the different meats and some of the cut produce, like you see someone slice into a pineapple. There's so much happening here, and it's so much what we love about being in this part of the world. Avocado ice cream. One of our favorite things to do is to start with dessert first, and this was a perfect time to do so, at least in preparation. We created a mix of coconut cream and avocado for a sweet treat to enjoy at the end of our Vietnamese feast.
I'm not worried about us or the house. I'm worried about the food.
Pho, but not soup. What if you want some of the flavors of pho, but not a soup? Pho rolls are the answer. With tender beef, lettuce, and cilantro, you get the flavors and aromas of pho without the hot broth. Instead of rolling in rice paper like many other spring rolls, this is rolled in a rice noodle instead. The noodle is really a star of the show, giving the pho roll a fun, chewy texture. Mango salad. If you ask me what one of my favorite dishes is, it's Thai som tam, or green papaya salad. The Vietnamese version is very similar, only this version uses mango. We love these salads because they contain so many flavors: sweet, savory, sour, salty, depending on what combination of ingredients you get in that bite.
It's very strong.
You want to taste it?
Bun Bo Hue. One of the reasons we chose this particular cooking class, we were learning dishes unique to Central Vietnam. We have loved spending time in Da Nang and getting to know the local dishes. It was time to take it a step further by learning to cook them. Bun Bo Hue is similar to the more commonly known pho soup, but the spice profile is a little bolder. We have loved ordering Bun Bo Hue, especially in Hue, and we're so excited to get the opportunity to learn the secrets of a great Vietnamese broth. Banh Jiao. Finally, the star of the show. We are embarrassed to admit that we've tried to make this dish for friends. We should have taken the class before attempting to share. Our lack of expertise has shown in the past. Banh Jiao became a family favorite dish the moment we tried it back in 2022. coming back to Vietnam in 2025 meant that we would take the knowledge of frying the perfect pancake. Our determination paid off. Light, crispy, and flavorful, our banh jiao turned out just the way we like. We now know how to banh jiao. What are you most looking forward to eating?
Oh, banh jiao is my favorite. Definitely looking forward to that. Does it smell good?
I love Vietnam.
Does the lemongrass come through? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like lemongrass and vegetables and some of the other herbs and sprouts.
Look, the noodles are small. So good. Sweet, sour, savory, all the things together. Roll it up, nice and tight. Yeah, you kind of crush it. Ta-da.
There goes nothing.
You didn't overfill it. Oh, Aster, it's not quite tight enough. Is it okay? Good? So good. No, I think it's the cream on the bottom. It's really good.
We made not only a feast, but memories during our Vietnamese cooking class in Da Nang. And hopefully the next time we make banh jiao, it'll turn out just the way we remember it in Vietnam. Let us know in the comments which dish you'd like to learn to make. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos from Vietnam and all over the world. See you next time. What did you get, younger?
Said they're mango candies.
Thank goodness you don't want them, right?
I have two.
Why don't you give one to your brother?
Once he's done. I think he's focused.
You can hold on to it for safekeeping.
We just finished our cooking class. We are back at our apartment, digesting blissfully. All right, couple takeaways that I was thinking about on the drive back. One, this was the first time we've done a cooking class where Connor was totally independent. There were 8 of us in the group. He was kind of off with the other group of folks. So he had this opportunity to really kind of run his own station, and he was amazing. So seeing how as a teen, he just stepped up and handled everything from thinly chopping mango to, frying up these banh jiao fritter pancakes. I'm so proud of him.
I can hear you.
Another take is how engaged Aster was. She was pretty hungry by the end of this, but she just stayed strong. She was helping out. She was peeling things. She was stirring things, measuring, helping with the hot stuff. You name it. She was in there. I believe so strongly that I want my kids to know how to have some basic understanding of cooking, so they always have more options to feed themselves. So we like to rope in things like these cooking classes because we go to these different countries. There's so many foods we try and absolutely adore, and when we get to understand how to make them from someone where these dishes have been part of their day-to-day life, often since childhood, helps us learn better, makes our appreciation deeper, and then we get to cook more tasty things for us and the people we love. And that's always a good thing.